Welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Welcome to another episode of our YouTube channel. In this episode, we will be learning about how to create Telegram channel by using your Telegram application. So friends, without any delay, let's begin. Friends, to create a Telegram channel, you have to open the Telegram first.
Lifestyle. Facebook. Telegram. Telegram. Group.
At the top, at the bottom right corner, you will find a new message button.
New message. Out of list.
Click on new message.
New message. New message.
Now I'm swiping from left to right.
Go back. But search. Change sorting. Button.
Change sorting.
New group and list.
New group. I'm not
255
showing
items.
you how to create new group today because I will make a different video on groups.
New secret chat.
New secret chat. I will tell you what is the secret chat. Not now.
New channel.
New channel. Just click on new channel.
What is a channel? Channels are a one-to-many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audiences. Out of list.
So this is the introduction of channel.
Go back. Button. Create. What is a channel? Channel. Go back. But create channel.
So just click on create channel.
Channel name. Edit box.
So here you need to type the channel
emoji,
name.
Editing. Emoji.
You can
Button.
use emojis.
Description. Edit box.
You can also give some description.
Editing. Channel name. Edit box.
So I'm creating the channel with the name of I have already the channel named Accessible Computing, so that's why I'm just creating this channel. The channel name is test channel.
Ord. Capital Y. Capital T. E. E. S. T. T. Space. C. C. H. A. A. N. N. E. L. L.
So I'm just
Ord. L. New channel. You can new channel. Go back. But done. Editing. Test channel. Edit box.
so just
channel
test channel.
name.
I'm swiping from left to right again.
Emoji. Button.
Emoji.
Description. Edit box.
So if I want to give the description, I can give, but for video purpose, I'm not entering any description.
You can provide new channel. You can provide an optional description for your channel. New channel. Go back. But done. Button.
So I'm just double tapping on done button.
Link. Edit box. Keyboard. TV/edit box. Disabled. Public link.
So there are two types of channels. One is private channels. One is public channels. So public channels are those channels which are available for public. Anyone can join in your channel, but private channel is those channels where only the persons with whom you share the channel link can join the channel. So whatever you want, you can create from
Not
here.
ticked. Radio button. Private channel. Private channels can only be joined via an invite link.
Okay, this is a private channel.
Ticked. Radio button. Public channel. Public
It's a
channels
public
can be
channel.
found in search. Anyone can join them.
Okay, so when you are creating a public channel, you can set an username. I'm
Public
swiping from
link.
left to right.
TV/edit box. Disabled.
t.me/edit box. So here you need to type the username. Okay, so you can search our Telegram channel also, t.me/accessiblecomputing. This is our public channel URL, Telegram channel URL. You can search and you can join. Also, I have given the link in the video description box.
Link. Edit box.
Link. Okay, so
Public. Not ticked.
as
Radio
I'm
button.
creating
Private
a
channel. Private
video
channels
or
can
I am
only be
making a
joined
video,
via
so
an
I
invite
am
link. Ticked. Public.
clicking on
Not
private
ticked.
channel.
Ticked. Invite link. TV/+ale wait search.
This is the invite link.
Unlabeled. Button. Copy.
So I can copy the link. I can copy.
Share.
Share. I can share the link.
Channel. Go back. But done. Button.
So if I click on done button, the channel will be created. I'm clicking on done button.
Add subscribers.
Okay.
Add subscribers.
So now you have
0 members.
to
Go back.
add
Button.
the subscribers.
Edit box. Add people to your channel.
Yes. Now you need to add people in your channel. All the Telegram contacts now showing to add your channel.
918. Apajit, Abu, Aditi, Alima, Olivia Gupt, Amber, Amit,
So
Amidov, Anakin,
there are lots of
and Arch, Arinda, Ashish Sen, Ashikal Golder, last
so
seen
I'm just
recently.
clicking on Ashikul Golder and now I want to add him to my channel as a subscriber.
Next button
So
out
I'm
of
clicking on
list.
just next button,
Test channel. Go back button.
test channel.
Test channel. More options button.
Channel is now created. Now let's explore what's inside in the channel.
February 7th. Channel created. Heading
Channel
1 of
created.
2.
So if I
Edit
want
box.
to, yes, this is
Edit box. Broadcast.
edit box broadcast. So if you type anything, it will be sent to the channel and the subscribers of your channel will able to see everything. Okay, I'm not sending anything because it's very easy. If you are a basic user of Telegram user or basic Android user, easily you can do it. But if you have any problem, let me know into the comment section. I will be available for you.
Emoji. Stickers.
You can
and
send
gifs,
emoji.
button. Edit. Send notifications button.
Okay, this is send notifications. You can send also some mute notifications.
Attach media button.
Attach media, there are lots of options. I'll show you.
Attach media.
Attach media.
Disabled. 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 This video 6 minutes 4 seconds. Disabled and accessibility.
So there is
Telegram.
lots of some of inaccessibility. So
Test channel.
don't
Attach
need to do
media.
it.
Record voice message.
Just wait.
Attach media.
Okay.
Attach media.
media.
Help photo and grid. Instant photo and grid. Disabled. Disabled. Disabled and
So there are some inaccessibility
Test
already.
channel.
I have told you.
Attach
So
media
don't worry.
button. Send edit box. Emoji. Go to next unread emoji. Edit box. Broadcast.
Broadcast.
Go to channel. February 17th. Heading. More options. Button out
So
of
let's
list.
see what are the options in more options.
Set auto delete timer.
Set auto delete timer. You can set auto delete timer. After a certain time, the channel message will be deleted.
Search.
Search. You can search everything about in your channel. Also, you can search in our channel. Suppose if you are a subscriber of our Telegram channel, you can easily search the messages by going to the search.
Set mute notifications.
Mute notifications. You can mute notifications. Okay, so these are the options.
Test channel.
Now, how
More
to
option.
add members?
Test
I'll
channel.
just show you.
Test channel.
Click on test channel. Click on the name of your channel.
Go back. Edit. More option. Edit button.
Here is the edit button. You will get all the editable tools like channel name, channel description, etc. etc. Notifications on.
Members. Heading.
Members.
Subscribers.
Subscribers
2.
2.
Administrators. 1.
Administrators 1. Subscribers 2. You can go. You can visit all the subscribers name and click on subscribers.
Go back. Search. Add invite. Add subscriber.
Add subscriber. Here you can add subscriber from your contacts directly, like when you are adding your contacts to your group.
Invite via link.
Invite via link. If you want to invite your friends via link, you can use this option.
Contacts in this channel. Heading.
Contacts in this channel.
Ashikal Golder.
Ashikal
Join
Golder.
Subscribe. Rattle Basak. Online. User options. Button.
So if I click on user options, let's see.
Remove from. Promote to admin.
Promote to admin.
Remove from channel.
Remove from channel. Okay, so if you click on promote to admin, Ashokul Golder can also collaborate in your channel and also send some broadcasts and some messages and notifications. Okay, so these are the options. So if I want, I can remove Ashokul Golder from channel. So I'm not removing right now.
Subscribers.
Okay.
Rattle only.
Now I'm clicking on delete. Sorry.
Invite. Add
Edit button.
Test channel. Test channel. Test channel. Go back. Button. Edit. More. Edit.
Edit button. I'm clicking on edit button.
Emoji. Set photo or video.
Set photo or video.
Emoji. Button.
Emoji button.
Test channel. Edit box. Channel name.
Test channel. This is the channel name.
Emoji. Button.
Emoji button.
Set photo or video.
Set photo or video. It's a channel icon, photo or icon video.
Description optional.
Description optional. You can type your own description like your channel description.
Channel type.
Channel
Private.
type. Private. You can do it from private to private. Public.
Discussion. Add a group chat for comments.
Discussion is add a group chat for comments. So you can just link your groups. If you have any groups, you can easily link with your groups. I'm not showing you. If you have any comments or any doubts, let me know into the comment section.
Off. Switch. Reactions. 16/16. Administrators.
Administrators.
1. Subscribers.
Subscribers.
2. Invite links.
Invite links.
Remove users. 0. Invite links. 1.
There are lots of invite links. I will tell you in details about invite links when I will discuss about group.
Remove users.
Remove
0.
users.
Recent actions.
Recent actions. You can just see the recent actions.
Delete channel. Recent. Test channel.
If I click
All
on
actions.
recent actions.
Go back. Search. Button. February 17th. Enlist. 2 items. Rattle Basak. Added. Settings. Out of list.
So there are all the activities you can just
Remove
watch.
user.
Okay.
Delete
The
channel.
last option is delete channel. So if I click on delete channel, the channel will be deleted. So now I am deleting the channel. I am clicking on deleting delete channel.
Delete. Do you want to delete and leave the channel?
Yes.
Not ticked. Tick box. Delete for all subscribers.
Delete for all
Ticked.
subscriber. I am checking this box.
Cancel. Delete channel.
So I am clicking on delete. The channel will be deleted.
Channel deleted. Telegram.
So this is how you can manage your channel, how you can create your channel, and how you can operate your channel. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, share this video. And if you visit me first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Choose all notification to get latest updates. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.